Hi, I'm Angelina with Quality Sewing and Vacuum, and I'm here to talk to you today about a product that we absolutely love, and that is the Cutie frame from Grace Company. If you don't have room in your place for a long arm, like this big right here, you can still quilt in your home right now with the Cutie frame. It's so easy. You can see that it sets up at about 4 feet, and you can set it on any surface. We have it on a pop-up table right now. I had one on my kitchen table at home. It's super portable and it can work with almost every sewing machine. It has a platform and a track right here, so everything's gonna just move effortlessly around, kind of like your long arm quilting. And there's a sure stitch regulator for almost every machine, so you're gonna get beautiful, perfect stitches every time. You can do from a baby size quilt all the way up to a king size quilt on this frame by just repositioning your fabric. And repositioning is super easy. Let me show how easy it is to take these clamps off. It's that easy. Now we would just adjust our quilt and then snap it right back into position. Roll our little quilt back up, keep it out of the way. And voila, we're ready to quilt again. Let me show you how easy it is with a stitch regulator too. So if this is interesting to you, stop by one of our 11 Puget Sound locations today or visit us at qualitysewing.com.